everyone. Welcome to your English online classes. In this video, we will be doing some written work in your English grammar copies. The last video, we did some work in your English grammar copy. Today, in the same copy, we will be covering the topic transformation of sentences and question tag. Now, whatever is written on the board, you have to note down. So, have a look at the board. First of all, you will mention the date, lesson and the name of the lesson, that is sentences. Then transformation. And what topic we are dealing with? Statement to question. Rules. If there is, am, are, was, were, can, may, will, shall, or the past tense of these words, just place these words before the subject in the sentence. I am repeating once again. Rules. If there is, am, are, was, were, can, may, will, shall, or the past form of these words, just place these words before the subject. Completed. Example. This dress is beautiful. Answer. We have to bring it before the subject. Is this dress beautiful? Question mark. Hope you have completed this part. Now the next part. If the sentence has helping verb plus main verb, what we are supposed to do? Subject is placed between the helping verb and the main verb. Again I am repeating. If the sentence has helping verb plus main verb, how we are going to make it a question? Subject is placed between the helping verb and main verb. Example. The girl is dancing. This is the helping verb and this is the main verb. So, the girl will come between the helping verb and the main verb. So, the answer is the girl dancing? Students, I am waiting. Quickly note down. In present or past tense, we add does, do or did before the subject and the main verb. I am repeating. In present or past tense, we add does, do or did before the subject and the main verb. Students, you have to note down everything what is written on the board. Don't skip any sentence. Example. Rohini sang well. The answer, did Rohini sing well? It's past tense, so we have added did. So in present tense, does we will use when the subject is singular, we will use do when the subject is plural, and did we will use in the past tense. Please note down fast. Hope you will have completed. I have given some exercises. Just note it down. Change the given sentences to question. The first one, we go to school every day. Number 2, the boys are playing in the field. Number 3, I am doing a grammar exercise. Number 4, Raj visited Pune last month. Number 5, the boy sings nicely. Note down, students. Now the last topic which you will note down in your grammar copy is question tag. Question tag. The first point, short questions used at the end of a statement. Short question used at the end of a statement. Write down the next point. Use of comma, short form and pronoun in the question tag. Example, she can't dance. Can she? It is dark, isn't it? Completed. Now see the home assignment. You have to do page number 7, question number D in the grammar copy. I am repeating, page number 7, question number D in the grammar copy. And the comprehension section is there. Read the passage and write only the answers, that is A, B and C. Only the answers in your English grammar copy. Again I am repeating the homework. Page 7, exercise D in your copy. And comprehension section, no need to write the passage. You will write only the answers, that is A, B and C in your English grammar copy. Now students, take out page number 4 in your English grammar book, exercise B. We have to tick the correct interrogative sentence for these statements. Number 1. Dhwani is John's brother. The correct answer, is Dhwani John's brother? Number B. Question number 2. I am thin. The correct answer, am I thin? It is again B option. Question number 3. Rohan plays every day. Does Rohan play every day? B option. Number 4. It was an easy exam. Was it an easy exam? A option. Question number 5. Shrija looked happy last night. The answer, did Shrija look happy last night? A option. Please mark the answer in your English grammar book. Now students, question tag. Question number C. I have done the matching. Please note it down in your book. We hadn't been rude, had we? He wasn't quite angry, was he? I shouldn't ask him for help, should I? It was not very dark, was it? They weren't late, were they? They won't invite us, will they? We weren't there, were we? It isn't too hot, is it? She hasn't told you, has she? Now see the next topic, let's perfect it. Here we have to see the picture and write a sentence describing the picture. Then we have to circle the subject, underline the predicate and draw a box around the verb. The first one has been done. Now see the second picture. The children are playing cricket. Circle the children, subject, are playing cricket, predicate, and the main verb playing, make a box. Next picture. The students are studying together. Circle the students are studying together predicate, so underline it and make a box in studying. The third picture completed. Now number 4. The boy and a girl are walking in the park. The boy and a girl subject are walking in the park predicate and the main verb walking. Note it down. Then see the next one. Question number B. We have to make 4 sentences. In the structure, subject plus verb plus object. The first one I have written, Anita helped the old man. Anita subject, helped verb, old man object. Number 2, Samir lost his pen. Samir is subject, lost his verb and pen object. They are studying in the classroom. They is subject, studying is verb and classroom is object. Number 4, the boy stood first in the class. The boy subject, stood is verb and class is object. Note down, students. You can make 4 sentences of your own also. Now, exercise C, you have to change the given sentences into interrogative sentence. Her name is Jishan. Is her name Jishan? They are Indian. Are they Indian? And then you have to end it with a question mark. Sanaya is not at home. Is Sanaya not at home? The weather changes every day. Does the weather change every day? Lavi chose the right option. Did Lavi choose the right option? Disha went for a jog this morning. Did Disha go for a jog this morning? Everywhere, students, you have to end it with the question mark. 2 more sentences are here. Number 7 and number 8. Mother cooks well. Does mother cook well? Question mark. Shanky is excited about her holiday plans. Is Shanky excited about her holiday plans? Now students, exercise D, you have to do it in your English grammar copy. And comprehension, you have to read the comprehension very nicely. And then you have to write exercise A, B and C in the grammar copy. You have to write exercise A, B and C in your English grammar copies.